Question number 1. A group of crows is called. Question number 2. When did Pakistan become an atomic power country? Question number 3. Which city of Pakistan is called Manchester of Pakistan? Question number 4. The largest province of Pakistan by area is. Question number 5. What country has a flag that is white with a red circle? Question number 6. Which of the following is the smallest ocean of the world? Question number 7. The smallest sea of the world is. Question number 8. The Hundred Years' War was fought between which two countries? Question number 9. Email stand for. Question number 10. Which mammal has the ability to fly? Question number 11. Which type of vitamin is used for human body through sun? Question number 12. Which organ is responsible the pumping blood in the human body? Question number 13. Which one among the following planets is known as the red planet? Question number 14. Which of the following is the smallest continent by size and population? Question number 15. Which is the largest natural freshwater lake of Pakistan? Question number 16. Who is the mother of the nation of Pakistan? Question number 17. Kalar Kahar Lake is located in. Question number 18. Which is the currency of England? Question number 19. What kind of power is produced by Ghazi Brotha? Question number 20. Noor Mahal is located in which city of Pakistan? Question number 21. How many goats render are to pay zakat? Question number 22. How many countries are the members of SARC? Question number 23. The highest waterfall of the world is? Question number 24. Who is the founder of the Tesla and SpaceX? Question number 25. Polio effect which part of the body? Question number 26. Who is called the father of mathematics? Question number 27. Main source of human breathing. Question number 28. How many bits are there in a one byte? Question number 29. What percentage of Earth is covered by forest? And question number 30. Part of land surrounded by water from all sides is called?